In a small countryside town, an ordinary ice cream truck undergoes an unbelievable metamorphosis. Once a beloved vendor of frozen treats, it now sports a telescopic dome roof with a state-of-the-art Meteor tracking system. By day, it looks like a whimsical old-time vendor, but come nightfall, it unfurls into an astronomical marvel. The interior is retrofitted with advanced stargazing equipment and a high-definition display that live streams cosmic events across the world. As meteor showers paint the night sky, this traveling observatory invites the community to gather round, blending the magic of space with a scoop of nostalgia. Are you ready to witness the universe unfold in your backyard? Share your stargazing moments with us.